going to be going over general maintenance of your OTF knife. What you're going to need is some kind of lubricant and a T8 Torx bit. First, you're going to want to safely disengage the blade by grabbing it and pulling the button down. Once the blade's disengaged, you're going to want to remove the 6 T8 screws. Once you removed all 6 screws, you can go ahead and take the top half of the body off, safely removing the button and removing the mechanism, but be careful, the spring is under tension. Now safely remove the blade, set it aside. Now on the bottom half of the body there's 2 hinges, the top hinge and the bottom hinge. These are the only things that require any type of lubrication. Make sure to wipe off any extra lube that is not within the hinges. This can cause more issues with the knife ejecting and retracting. You're going to want to also visually inspect the top half of the body. Remove any debris that can cause further issues. Now once this is all done, you can go ahead and start the reassembly process by taking the blade and reinserting it into the bottom half of the body, making sure the pin is on top. You're going to want to manually push the top hinge in so the blade seats below it. Now when you go to reinsert the mechanism, be careful with the spring under tension. Gently place it in, insert the button on top, and replace the top half of the body. Once you have the top half of the body on, you can go ahead and reinstall all 6 of the Torx screws. Once these are all tightened down, you can safely grab the blade, pull it all the way out until you feel tension, and then pull it another 1/8 inch out, and this will re-engage the blade into the mechanism. Do a couple test fires, make sure everything's working good. Now if you want to remove the glass breaker, you can go ahead and use your Torx bit tool to insert in one of the holes to break it freely.